Hello everyone. China's Evergrande is in more trouble. And this is coming from The Age from Melbourne, Australia. Those of you don't know, China Evergrande is a Chinese construction giant, and they have a lot of debt on their balance sheet, somewhere around 300 billion dollars, and they are having problems servicing that debt. So yeah, let's go through this article and see what's going on with China Evergrande. China's Evergrande halts trading after order to tear down apartments. Chinese developer shares tumbled following local media reports that China Evergrande Group has been ordered to tear down apartment blocks in a development in Hainan province. Evergrande halted trading in its shares. So for some reason, they want to tear down apartment blocks in Hainan province. An index of Chinese developer shares slumped 2.8% as of 11:37 a.m. local time, with Sunac China Holding and Shimao Group Holdings plunging more than 10%. So the this report around China, or this decision around China Evergrande, um, has caused this construction index to plummet. And these two are other two construction companies in China. A local government in Hainan told Evergrande to demolish 39 buildings in 10 days because the building permit was illegally obtained. Very interesting. And as I have been saying in my videos for a while, when economy goes down and money spigots starts to close, it becomes very difficult to continue with the Ponzi scheme. And in a good days, they would have never been able to find out if permits were illegally obtained. But now all these shenanigans will come to light, and you will hear these sort of incidents more and more going forward. And it's not just in China, elsewhere as well. So Evergrande gave no details on trading suspension other than saying it would make an announcement containing inside information. Government of Danzhou, a prefecture-level city in southern Chinese province of Hainan, asked Evergrande to tear down 39 illegal buildings in 10 days, citing a document from local government. The report cited the government, which was dated December 30, as saying that Danzhou government said an illegally obtained permit for buildings had been revoked, so the building needs to be dismantled. Evergrande didn't immediately respond to requests seeking comments, and calls to Danzhou's authorities went unanswered on a public holiday in China on Monday. The company on Friday dialed back payment plans on billions of dollars of overdue wealth management products as its liquidity crisis showed little sign of easing. So Another thing to remember, the one way this Ponzi scheme has been going this far is because of these wealth management products, which are nothing but sort of an IOU, where people like you and me, we purchase this wealth management product and we get an interest on that. And now liquidity has gone, so it's really hard to pay back holders of those wealth management products. Property firms have mounting bills to pay in January and shrinking options to raise necessary funds. The industry will need to find at least US 197 billion. I'm not sure why it's saying US now 197 billion. This 271 billion seems to be the right number because last I read, total debts were somewhere around $300 billion to cover maturity bonds, coupons, trust products, and deferred wages to millions of migrant workers, according to Bloomberg calculation and analyst estimates. So not only they are having problem paying the bonds, coupon on those bonds, these wealth management products, but they are also having problem paying the wages to the workers as well. Yeah, this is going to be very important because the whole Chinese Ponzi scheme is around keep keep everybody working so there is no social unrest. So if these workers are not paid, they will be pretty unhappy and more than likely they will protest, which is not good in eyes of CCP. Beijing has urged builders like China Evergrande Group to meet payrolls by month end in order to avoid risk of social unrest. Yep, so exactly what I just said. Contracted sales of 31 listed developers fell 26% in December from a year earlier, according to Citigroup analysts. Evergrande sales dropped 99%. 99%. Oh boy. Yeah, so it looks like they are in more trouble. Now they are they have no money left even to pay for wages, which means bondholders, especially foreign bondholders, and more likely local as well, um, these wealth management product holders, um, as well as workers, are in deep trouble. And this is going to potentially impact their whole construction industry. I mean, as this article says right here, the construction index is also slumping. So the other stocks are also going down. Now, Chinese government lately has done some taken some measures like uh, changing the reserve ratios so more money is available to provide loans and stuff. And but whether these measures will really help remains to be seen. And worst come worse, one thing we have to keep in mind, CCP doesn't want any social unrest. And if all the measures they have taken so far don't really work out, the credit spigots will open again. At least that's my input, my opinion. I think they will open money spigots, credit spigots again. I'll be surprised if the credit is, contraction. They will allow it to happen, and which in turn basically will crash the whole construction economy in China. And construction is just around 30%, 25 to 30% of the total GDP of China. So it's a huge, huge chunk of their GDP. So yeah, I'll keep an eye on this and update you guys. Thanks for listening. Please share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.